Nothing sub-brand CMF has introduced the new Watch 3 Pro. This smartwatch aims to merge a premium design with advanced artificial intelligence features as it incorporates ChatGPT. The design is based on a robust metal frame and is paired with a comfortable silicone strap. You can find it in 3 colors: a vivid orange, a sleek dark gray, and a subtle light gray. The display measures 1.43 inches, utilizing an AMOLED screen with a resolution of 466 pixels in diameter. It boasts a refresh rate of 60 Hz and reaches a peak brightness of 670 nits, providing a vibrant viewing experience. It's not the most spectacular display, but for a watch aiming to compete at a tight price point, I think it does the job well. For navigation, it features a rotating crown, which provides a premium and pleasant feel to a watch designed to be affordable. Its battery capacity is 350 mAh, and it promises up to 13 days of typical use, or 3.5 days when the screen is always on. I believe that battery life will be a positive factor. However, this is generally what we see in these types of watches, which have simpler operating systems. However, in this case, it incorporates a few more additional functions, so I believe the battery performance will be quite good. Furthermore, the manufacturer states that a complete recharge requires approximately 99 minutes, indicating it doesn't feature extremely fast charging either. Regarding health and sports, it features an enhanced 4-channel heart rate sensor for increased accuracy, monitoring oxygen saturation, tracking sleep, and also tracking stress, along with 131 different sport modes. However, we'll need to assess the accuracy of these sport modes, as manufacturers sometimes simply include the sport's name without actually tracking the sport specifically. Additionally, it includes dual-band GPS, which provides more precise tracking when you are outside. Regarding software, its main highlight is undoubtedly the integration of GPT chat. This feature enables you to perform voice queries and seek advice or engage in any conversation you wish to have with this assistant. Of course, it will need an internet connection, but having direct access to this assistant right on your wrist is certainly a great advantage. If you are actively using this platform, please let me know by leaving a comment below. This watch not only supports Bluetooth calls thanks to its integrated microphone and speakerphone, but it also features a voice recorder tool with automatic transcription capabilities. Moreover, it includes a news tool, all accessible via the new Nothing X application. However, it's important to note that some of these functions might be exclusively available to users who own a cell phone from the same brand, either Nothing or CMF. However, we will need to test this once we have the watch on our wrist to ensure it retains all its features, even when connected to cell phones from other brands. The announced price for this watch is $99.